myself I wasn't working out, right? Yet I can't like not walk, you know? Like I don't feel comfortable with that. So we're gonna go walk. I work at 10 from home. We're gonna go walk, then I forgot some ingredients yesterday. So I have to stop by and buy that before I start working. But yeah, let's go for a walk. Oh, and also Amazon delivered to the wrong address, like literally upstairs. Come on, Amazon. It's time for a new steering wheel cover thing.
Hey, 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 how wonderful, how wonderful.
Well, it's raining, so my walk is cut short. I have to run over here. That was thrilling. Oh my gosh, look at this rain. Whew. Well, at least I got 46 minutes into my hour walk. Hold on. 2.5 miles. I'll take it. It's fine. Alright. I need to go dry up. I need to go get those ingredients. Okay. Bye.
If you ride with me, you gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, 'cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat.
I've been sitting here way too long. I think I wanna go for a walk.
If you ride with me, don't gotta work for the both of us. You in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat.